Hi! Good morning, Willow. What are you looking at? Oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
What? Did you discover something, Willow? Oh, you're saying that all these flowers mean that spring is here. You're right, Willow. Spring is when we plant a garden. Ah, cucumbers and peas. I see you've been waiting all winter to plant your favorite vegetables. What do we need, Willow, to start planting? What is that, Willow? Oh, it's seeds, of course. You're right. We need seeds to grow vegetables. Careful, Willow! The wind could blow your seeds away. Oh, no. The seeds have blown away. What are you going to do now? Willow, your friend Carrie the Cardinal has saved the seeds. Thank you, Carrie. Willow, how can a cucumber or tomato grow out of such a tiny seed? Oh, that's right. We need the rain to give the seeds water and the light from the sun. That's how all plants grow, even flowers. Wow! Willow, your vegetables are growing bigger and bigger each week. Willow, you're a terrific gardener. You take such good care of everything growing in your garden. Your peas, Willow, you can harvest them now. They are ready to eat. Willow, you did it. Now, what are you going to do with all those peas? What? Willow, you have a tasty recipe for us? Will you show us your recipe? And teach us how to make bunny juice? Hey, kids! Willow wants you to make snap pea salad too. Get your mommy to come and see the ingredients you need to make Willow's family recipe. Five fat peas in a pea pod pressed. One grew, two grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and did not stop until one day the pod went pop.